Hello everyone. Mm, as being a Tibetan, I want to say Tashi Telek to all. And my name is Lakpat Singh, and I am a follower of His Holiness the Dalai Lama and people of His Holiness the Dalai Lama. I was brought up under his kindness and his help till now. So today I want to make a response to those who are criticizing the His Holiness Dalai Lama's His Holiness Dalai Lama and the Lucky Boy, related with the His Holiness Dalai Lama and the Lucky Boy, which was happened almost 5 weeks back. So that's why I really want to give my own response to them. So according to my research, in few days I have found that there are three different kind of criticizers are there, and so I want to uh, tell all of them, uh, according to my understanding and my level. I want to tell all of you what I feel about you. So that's why please just listen. My English is not that much good, but you will understand what I say. So that is for sure, I know. So from my understanding level, first group of people who are criticizing the His Holiness Dalai Lama's uh, with no reason is that intentionally they are criticizing. They know everything about the issue, and they knew that there is nothing issue in it, and with background and everything, there is nothing to raise the issue. With understanding everything, they are just intentionally criticizing for their own benefit. They are getting some benefit uh, by criticizing that. For their own benefit they are criticizing it. So for them, even the whole world will explain to them, they will never listen, they will never understand, because they the uh, click of understanding in their brain is already blocked. So they are understanding proof, their brain become understanding proof. So they were, that's why like we cannot explain them at all, because they are like already locked their understanding part, and they are just criticizing intentionally. So that's why we cannot do anything. So that's why, let's say we will forgive them. Okay, forgive them. Whatever you want to say, you say. Maybe His Holiness Dalai Lama will feel happy that because of criticizing me, he's getting some benefit. So for him, if it is getting benefit, then it's okay. I will forgive him, and I might feel happy. His Holiness might feel happy that because of he criticizing him, someone is getting benefit. That is His Holiness Dalai Lama's heart. So we cannot do anything. So his way of thinking is such way. So that's why he will feel happy if you are getting some benefit. So that's why you are lucky and forgive you all. So that is first part. Second group of people is that they are, with true feeling they are criticizing. With true feeling they are feeling, oh, it is very bad, like because of the mm, understanding level of the human value is, there is a big gap between the understanding level of the human value uh, to those criticizers and the His Holiness Dalai Lama. So because of that reason, they are like truly with feeling they are criticizing. So for them, I want to tell you is that His Holiness Dalai Lama's understanding level of human value is very high, where you couldn't reach there. So that's why you feel it's a little bit strange, and that you are criticizing. His Holiness Dalai Lama's understanding value, human value is, every human being is brothers and sisters. So when boy came to him in front of boy's parents, His Holiness the Dalai Lama feels that he is his own grandfather. He gives that much love to the boy. He's considering himself as his own grandfather, and he is considering the boy as his own grandchild. And then he gave the and whole like love and compassion with such feelings, then he gave everything to him. So then he hugged him several times, he kisses him as a grandfather doing to his own grandchild. Whatever they does, he did it in front of the boy's parents. So that much love his holiness Dalai Lama giving to the boys, that level of the human value he considered is not digest by the uh, low level of the people who are not reached that level of, like, who didn't reach the understanding of that level. So that's why they think that that boy is totally gap. There's a so they kept a very big gap between the His Holiness Dalai Lama and the boy, and then they make it that issue. Like their feeling is like because of their knowledge is little low, and human value they considering is they have you and me kind of thing. They kept that kind of value, and then they said like they are criticizing this and this and this and this. So for them, we have to do nothing, but we can say that I can say that we can feel mercy on you, and we can feel mercy on you, and hope you will read more about His Holiness Dalai Lama's activity, what His Holiness Dalai Lama is did so far till in the 87 years of ages, what he had done. Now it's almost 88 now he is reaching, right? So what his achievement in this world, you can you will get more chance to read about more about His Holiness Dalai Lama, and then you will also try to reach that level. Human beings are brothers and sister kind of thing, like, so then your intention of criticizing on that issue will become more relief. So that is my message to you, is that please don't hate and try to be more close to each other, and also you also try to consider your neighbor's son as your own son, same as His Holiness Dalai Lama. Then your feeling of love will grow. That is not like what your negative thinking way. You try to think positive way, then your love will grow, and your compassion will grow. So then gradually humanity value of humanity will also grow. So for them, right now we cannot do anything, but we can feel mercy on you, and please try to read more and try to reach your level also on the same as the you. I don't know we can whether reach the same as His Holiness Dalai Lama or not, but try to reach the nearest, then world will become a peaceful environment. So that is my message to the second level of people. Now third level of people are those people who don't know anything about His Holiness Dalai Lama, who don't know anything about love and compassion, and who don't know anything about Buddhism and human value and nothing, but they are blindly like criticizing because they superstar is criticizing, so they are following, they are the fans of those criticizers. Some film actors like Kangana Ranawat, or some this Sharda Arya or something. Then there is some educated person also is there. His name is what Rajesh Kumar or something. So follower of them, they think that, oh, our superstar is saying criticizing him, that means that is we have to criticize. So without any knowledge, and they are just criticizing whatever comes in their mind, just speaking out, blah, 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 blah. No use. So for them, it is also there is also you have also a benefit if you can take it. My message to you is that what is that you don't know anything about Dalai Lama. Now you get chance. You maybe some of them never heard of His Holiness Dalai Lama's name before. So you get chance to heard about him, and you get chance to listen about his speech or something. So then maybe your brain will become little more peaceful and calm, and you will also get a chance to research about whether it's really right or wrong or something, right? So for you all also, we cannot do much, but you have to do. You have to be like without blindly blaming or without following your superstars. Your stars are knowing everything, but intentionally to get their own benefit they are doing. So even if you do according to your fan, if you are a fan of Kangana Ranawat, if you criticize, Kangana Ranawat will never know that you are born in this world even. So it's no use of like you are wasting your energy showing anger because of his Kangana Ranawat or any other like those criticizers. There are some foreign singers are also there, so no use. So if you are doing that kind of criticizers, so please try to grow yourself and get well soon. Okay, try to get well soon from that. So this is our intention, and our intention is like, as being a follower of His Holiness Dalai Lama, our intention to you is always uh, compassionately. We don't have any anger on you, because you are also in uh, you also are, your mind is also in some buried under some thought. So that's why we are trying to like uh, keep some light on you, so that you can also like understand and you will see a different world. So there are so many cultures, there are so many different kind of rituals and everything. You see, after the uh, event, boys mothers interview, you just listen to them, how much they felt happiness. They felt so close to His Holiness Dalai Lama. They never felt that he is a danger person. They felt more close. They considered their feeling of the oneness and feeling of the familyness with the His Holiness Dalai Lama grown, so much grow, and they felt so much happy, and they gained a lot of energy within energy. So try to get that. So then you will get some good intention. Okay? So this is according to my research. My message to you all is that much only. So please try to be positive, try to be compassionate, try to respect the human value, and try to attract more people towards you. Those criticizers, you just think your neighbor is also really close to you or not. You also judge that also. If your neighbor is not so close, then you try to make closer to them, like His Holiness Dalai Lama. Whoever visit to meet His Holiness Dalai Lama, they feel so close to them or him. No one has felt stranger to them, those who visitors. So this is my message to you all, and this now is becoming too long, so that's why I will stop it. And please take care of yourself and get well soon.